Hey everybody, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. They're cutting the tree down. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Whoo! I love the sound of a chainsaw. I am a strange person. And they're bringing it out here, but they're getting too much on that pile. They really are. Getting too much on that pile. Oh, I don't like that. Mm-mm. That is one big tree, and look at those limbs that are over the house. I mean, that's huge. That is part of it. They're getting way too much on that pile. That's making me nervous. I don't want that. Last night, it had, it flared up, the fire did, and I had to come out and spray it. And it did that twice. You know, that mobile home, it looks to be about the size of my cottage when you get all the walls out of it. That was a 2-bedroom. One of those bedrooms was teeny tiny. It wouldn't hold anything but a twin bed. What the hell? Shoot. I sat in that chair and it was wet. Oh, God. Ooh. I won't be doing that again. Lord, he's piling them all on there. Oh, Lord. Look at that when it hits those green leaves. Interesting. Oh, look at that black smoke. Ooh. I think they're getting tired. They're looking a little irritated. But it's getting hotter. It's like a little after 2 o'clock. Look at all that tin. My gosh. I'm not going over there. I would just be in the way. And then I would get irritated. So, let's stay where I am over here with y'all. The man in the white shirt is worn out, you can tell.
Yeah, you got it on there. That's green, it ain't gonna burn real hot.
Whoa. That was heady. Y'all, they still got to take that roof off and all those posts down. And then cover up the space that where the posts are going to be, or were. Yikes. He said when he first began this that it would be about 2 weeks, a 2-week job. But boy, look what they've done, and this is just the second day. It's getting hot out here, and I'm in the shade. You know, construction is such a hard job. Bobby worked in construction in between being a barber at times. And they went all over the country building restaurants and things like that. And they used stucco on the outside. And they had to mix that stucco and then take those buckets of mixed stucco up ladders and on the roof. That was hard work. That was when he was like in his 30s. He took a break from barbering, and then later on he went back to barbering. It's a good thing, because this construction work, these guys can't work, y'all. They can't work in their 60s and 70s. You know, you can't do it. You can't physically do it. That's why a lot of them have their own companies. But just the same, look at Jared over there. He's working like a horse. Everybody's got their job. Okay, I've just about had enough of this. Anyway, this is day 2. I'll probably be out here in a little while and do the finale. Of course, it's not going to come down by then. You know what I mean. I'll do some more. But that's enough of that. I don't know what the temperature is today, but because of the rain and the storms yesterday, it's a whole lot cooler than it normally is. But these guys are sweating like a pig just the same. I feel so sorry for them. I am fascinated with fires. When I was a lot younger, I would go to my mother's house and I would rake up all the leaves and burn them in the driveway. And she would sit in a lawn chair and watch me. She loved to watch burning leaves. I think everybody's kind of fascinated with what fire does to an object. Look at that wood out there, how it's bubbled and crackled and charred like that. It's amazing. Boy, they're working hard, aren't they? Have to be careful with that. That's tin. I don't want them cutting themselves. Gosh. It's a good thing I didn't have a vegetable garden right there, isn't it? One door out the other. Mm-hmm. 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 That is Jared, the boss man. He stepped on a nail yesterday and took it like a champ. So obviously that's not the first time he's done that. Jared, you want me to go get you washcloth or towels or something? He can't hear me. He's spraying his head off.
I'm gonna call the APC on Gary. Adult Protective Services.
Okay. So they have gone. And here's the yard. Cody's daddy did an excellent job. See that shrub right there? That was supposed to have been cut down totally. But some guy that was doing my yard before Cody's daddy didn't keep trimming it down. So now I have a tree, even though I didn't want it, but I've got it. And so, okay, we'll leave it alone. However, underneath that tree was weeds like you would not believe. And look what Cody's daddy did. He got that all cleaned up. I'm saying. Also, look at here. Look how he cleaned all that up. I mean, there was weeds all up in there too. He cleaned it up. Beautiful job, Cody's daddy, who actually has a name. His name is John. So, let's go. There's that baby kitty. Miss Callie. Hello, baby. What are you doing? You waiting on me? It's too hot, baby. You need some water. Okay. Let's see. Let's go this way. They're gonna love that out here in the yard. Maybe I should put some flowers in the bowl. I've seen people do that, y'all. I really have. I've seen people put toilets in their yard. And every Christmas they decorate it up with Christmas stuff and Halloween and spring. Oh, look, there's Mama on the front porch. Now that is Mama Sita. And I saw her this afternoon, and she was over at the cottage laying on the air conditioner, and I went in and got her some food, and she is now happy, and that's okay, baby. You're happy too. I know you are. Okay, y'all. Oops, I left that door open. I don't like that. We're not going to do that. I got stuff in there. I got stuff in there that I want to keep. And so we're going to close this door. Well, what in the heck? There we go. All right. It's mess over here, isn't it? There's broken glass. They will clean all this up, y'all. Let me go out in front. Ooh, big truck. Big loud truck. Look at this. Look at this. Look. You can see all the way to the back. Isn't that something? Oh, boy. I mean, they started cutting down the tree. As you can see, some of the limbs are gone from it. And they're going to cut the whole thing down. That was on the roof, which has damaged the roof, and I didn't know that. Look how it looks from the inside. Isn't that interesting? Now, there's my little room, y'all. So, see? Let's see. Let me try to get in some shade. Okay. So, this is a door into the house. And this is the door into that little room that's separate from the house, totally blocked off from the house, where I'm going to keep all my yard equipment and paints and all that kind of stuff. And I also have a door right there, which I just shut, that y'all were there with me when I did that. So I'm going to get a little, I don't know, something here so that I can get up in there easily. Now, my fence that I'm talking about, I'm going to use cattle panel. I know how to do it. It's the same kind of stuff that I used on my fence around my patio up there. I'm going to go from here down to this corner. Of course, that wood will be gone, and come all the way down to here. That's perfect. So it's come here and to here. I think I'll go ahead and tell them to keep this fence there. I must tell them that. I must not forget. But anyway, so I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to cover it with that fabric that I've got up there so you can't see back here so much. And then what they have to do is paint the outside of the house, or else I can actually do that. Y'all look, I've already done that before. So I'll just paint the back of the house. I don't need much paint. I've already got some paint. So I'll do that. Now, back here is the graveyard of 4x4s and 2x4s. This is a lot of wood. Oh, wow. A lot of wood. A lot of good wood. And all this insulation is good insulation. Now they're starting to tear all that out. They got to get all that pipe and all that mess from under there. Look at Miss Callie. She's looking around up there. Bless her little heart. She doesn't know what the heck to do. I wish I could take her in the house, y'all, but she's going to be, well, she won't get, first of all, she won't get along with Miss Key. Probably won't get along with my Pumpkinhead, and won't get along with my Thule. And she's been used to being outside, so there you go. Anyway, there's how it looks. It's coming down. Well, look how the roof right here. See how it's bowed? That's where the roof was falling in right there. He showed me that when I was here today. That has just collapsed in. And over there too, if you can see that. Yep. All right. So, this is the end of day 2. I mean, just day 2, y'all. And you've already seen how much they have done. And I saw somebody raking out here today. So they try to clean up when they get done. But, you know, they're hot. They're tired. They want to go home. They want to take a shower. They want to be with their families. They want to have dinner. And I don't blame them. Just wanted to go home. And I can understand that. All right, this is here. That was one heck of a pile today, y'all. That was way up here today. And look at that. He's going to bring a tractor. Now he's going to bring a tractor, he's told me today. Once they get this burned to significant... Oh, look. There's a board that's flared up. See it? So there's a flame there. I don't like that. I don't like that. It's just a small area though. I think it'll be okay. Here's what I will do. I will watch from my window up there. What are you doing? What? What are you doing? You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Don't jump on me now. I'm not going to put up with that. I don't even remember what I was saying. Well, aren't you sweet today? She used to bite me and all that stuff. So anyway, I think this will be okay, but I will watch. I can see them from my kitchen window. And, because you see right up there, I mean, I can see them. See this out here. I won't let it burn too long. I'll watch it. Make sure it's okay. And there's some more junk they gotta burn. Yep. All right. All right. So long and farewell. You served us well. Yes, you did. We used to use that big room in there for where we watched TV all the time when we weren't using that one. We didn't use that one for a long time. We used this one. It was quiet back here. We couldn't hear the road at all. I liked it. There was a bathroom right around the corner, so that was fun. Okay, y'all, thank you for staying with me the last couple of days and watching all this. It's been exciting for me. I like stuff like this. But this is my last big project. You know it is. And I officially retire. I'm going to officially retire. Okay, everybody. Have a good day. See you soon. Bye-bye.